The African wild dog, the most successful predator on the African plains. They are so successful because they hunt as a pack, running their prey to exhaustion and then simply tearing it apart. Today we are going to show you how this hunt comes to an end, and how the animal is actually killed quicker than using the strangulation method used by lions and leopards.
Warning, the following content may upset sensitive viewers.
The impala collapses in exhaustion and the dog immediately goes to work. At this point, the impala's fate is sealed. The impala grunts a couple of times as he's dragged. Now the pack goes to work. And as you can see, with the intestines being left behind, at this point the animal is almost certainly dead. And then the entire pack goes into defeat.